Very cloudy morning, all of my viewers, students, guardians, teachers, whoever observing this class. Today, this is Monday morning and the sky is cloudy. The weather is very pleasant right now, and we are, as usually, like every other days of training, we are going through the training. Forklift training is going on. The practical session is going on here. We are taking class on site, that is on the road. So you can see the situation is not so good enough. Anyway, this is the scenario in our country and in our place. It's very hard to maintain the situation over here because we always are prone to risk. But I have always suggested to my students and still warning them, be careful while driving forklift on the road. You can see the students are trying to get pallet on the floor. Sorry, correct me. Students are trying to get the pallets on the fork and try to maneuvering the fork inside the pallet gap. Today we have got another new student who is sitting left of my side. You can see, I will get you know him. He's sitting there and he came from quite far place from here, and he's very unaware of the online classes. So I've been teaching him how to get control over the Android mobile, and how to get connected to the WhatsApp and the online classes. And now he's getting a bit confidence, and we'll be coming back to him anyway. The training is going on, and let's observe.